Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock DW 5600, and in this detailed how-to tutorial video we are going to run step by step how to use this watch. First of all, let's shuffle through the watch modes. That is done by pressing the mode button, and basically you are shuffling between the alarm mode, countdown timer, stopwatch mode, and higher pitch of the sound gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode. Let me show you how to set the time and date on this watch. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the upper left button and the seconds will begin to flash. Now we are in the position of setting our values, and first in a row of values is setting our seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value simply by pressing the upper right button, and it will go to 0. Once the seconds are flashing, you can press the lower right button and the watch will shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format or your time representation. Once you have said that, the seconds are reset, you can press the mode button, and now the flashing moves on to our hour value, and pressing the upper button I can shuffle between my hour value or the numbers until I get it to exact time that I want it. Let's say it's 20 o'clock. Next up, press the mode button once again and flashing moves on to my minutes value. The procedure is the same. You can press in increments of 1, or you can press and hold it to engage fast rotation of numbers, and simply release it once you get it to your desired value. Next up, press the mode button, and now the flashing moves on to the upper part of the screen. Number 23 is flashing. The number 23 stands for my year value, so 23 for 2023, but I can shuffle it again by pressing the upper right button in increments of 1, or press and hold it to engage fast rotation of my numbers. So I'm gonna get it back to 2023. There it is. Next up, press the mode button, and now we are setting our month value. Number 5 corresponds to month of May, so it is correct, but you can shuffle it by pressing the upper right button until you get it to the corresponding number. Next up, press the mode button, and flashing moves on to my the day value. Again, pressing the upper right button, you shuffle the values until you get it to the exact date. So it is May the 30th, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Press the mode button once you're done, and as you can see, the seconds again begin to flash, which indicates that we have ran through the settings of the watch. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button, the seconds stop flashing, and now we have implemented all of those settings we have just ran through. How to enable a flash alert? Well, from the standard timekeeping mode, simply press the upper right button for about 2 seconds, and it will be indicated with this icon over here that your flash alert is turned on. And to turn it off, simply press and hold it again, and it will go off. Let's go through the alarm mode on the DW5600. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, and we enter the alarm mode. To set our alarm, press the upper left button and hold it, and the hours begin to flash. Now I'm gonna show you how to set your daily alarm. This watch has also a date alarm, a 1-month alarm, a monthly alarm, but it's a, let's call it a gimmick and unnecessary thing. So I'm gonna show you how to set your daily alarm, and that is the type of the alarm which goes off every day at the time you set it. So let's get back to it. The hours are flashing, and we can change our hours by pressing the upper right button and shuffling our values. Let's say I want to set it exactly at 12 o'clock or 10 o'clock, nevertheless. Once you set your hours, press the mode button and the minutes begin to flash. Again, pressing the upper button shuffles the minutes value, and pressing and holding it engages fast rotation. So once you reach your desired time, simply release the button and it will stop shuffling. Now I have set my hours and minutes value, and I'm gonna simply press the adjust button and my alarm time is set. It is also indicated over here, and this is the indicator that my alarm is turned on. You can shuffle it by pressing the upper button between hourly time signal over here or the alarm. As you can see currently, both my alarm and hourly time signal are turned on. By pressing the upper button, I can shuffle it both off, only alarm on, only hourly time signal on, and both on. Press again, and both of them are off. And basically, those are the settings or how to set your alarm mode on this watch. Countdown timer. Let's enter the countdown timer. From the standard timekeeping mode, press the mode button once, twice, and we are in the countdown timer mode. Let's set our countdown time. Well, to do that, press and hold the upper left button, and you can see that my, in this case, hours, minutes, seconds, and this is my current time over here. The hours are flashing, and I can set it by pressing the upper right button. By pressing and holding it, you engage fast rotation. I'm gonna set it to 0 because let's say I want my alarm time, countdown timer time to be 15 minutes. Once I've set my hours to 0, I'm gonna press the mode button, and flashing moves on to my minutes value. Again, upper button to set my countdown time or shuffle the values. Now I've set my minutes, press the mode button, the flashing moves on to my seconds value. I can set it by pressing the upper right button, and pressing and holding it engages fast rotation. So let's say I want it at 15 sharp. I'm gonna set it to 15 minutes exactly. Once done, press the mode button, the adjust button, and now my time is set. To engage countdown timer, press the upper button, and now the time begins to count down. To stop it, press the upper button again, and to reset it, simply press the adjust button once, and it will go to my preset time. Those are the basics of the countdown timer. Stopwatch mode. Let's enter the stopwatch mode by pressing the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and we are in the stopwatch mode. Let's go over the indicators. So over here you have your minutes, seconds, you have your 1/100th of a second units. This is the mode indicator, so stopwatch, and this is our current time. How to engage the stopwatch? Well, press the upper button to engage it, same button to stop it, and adjust button to reset it to 0. Let me show you how to record a split time. So press the upper button to start it, adjust button to display the timing up to that point, and the stopwatch time continues internally. And you can press it the same button to clear that split time. Again, the upper right to stop it and reset it. Now the first and second place finishers, press the upper button to start it, and when the first runner finishes or crosses the line, you press the upper left button and press the upper right button when the second finisher crosses the line. Now press the upper left button to display the finishing time of your second finisher, and press the upper left button to clear the stopwatches to 0. And those would be the basics of a stopwatch mode on this watch. Thank you very much for watching yet another detailed how-to tutorial video on my channel. Please leave a like and subscribe if you are into watch-related content. So thank you.